Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in at Janil Hair Collection. I hope you're doing good. And today we are going to learn a step by step on how to feed in braids, gripping hair roots, and at the same time parting lines. So today that is all that we're going to learn. And for me, I love working from the back, going to the front. And when I do my parting, going to the middle, I have to reduce the size so that all my lines will have enough space to meet at the center. And for now, I'll have to take the braid, a small piece of braid, and the way you begin, it matters a lot. It matters a lot. And for now, I'll just have to braid a little bit, having the hair and the braid at the same time. I'm holding the braid and the hair at the same time, and now I'll have to feed in the braid. That is the first one, and I'm feeding in the same size of braid. I'm not increasing. And the thing here, if you don't want the braid to show on top, make sure before it goes under your thumb, it should be very, very tight. So what I normally do, I'll have the 3 fingers on my left hand holding the braid like that, and then it goes under my thumb, and that's how I do my braiding. I do braid 1, 2, like 1 and 2, and then I feed in the next braid. So this is very simple if you put it on practice. And if you find the braid and hair it's showing on top, it's because you're not holding the hair and the braid at the same time. So if you look clearly, the way I began, it's the way I'm going to finish. I'm not confusing myself, and you can see my hand is staying in the same direction, and my fingertips are very, very close to the scalp, and that's how I do come up with this type of braiding. And I'll go ahead and repeat the same thing, so that you'll have to get right what I'm trying to share with you guys today. And if you're coming across Janil Hair Collection for the first time, feel welcome here. And if you want to follow up more about this hairstyle, just turn on the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload the video. So I'm done with this particular line, so I'll have to go on the next contour so that you'll have to get clearly how I do this type of Ghana line. And to the ponytail, I'm not extending, I'm just using the normal size of the braid. So I'll have to apply gel. Gel does an amazing job. It pulls all the hair from the scalp and making your parting more visible. So this is I'm using a series gel. That's what I normally do. So I'll have to go ahead and make my parting more neat. So I'll have to begin again. So there we go. I hold hair with the braid at the same time, and the way I'm beginning is the same way I'll have to finish. Don't confuse yourself, so that your braiding pattern will be neat and more visible. So I'm going to feed in my first braid, and don't forget I'm braiding 1 and 2. So there we go. And then I feed in the next braid, and I'm not increasing the braid, I'm just using the same size. So I'll do the same thing. I let the braid go under my thumb, as my 3 fingers on my left hand is helping me to tighten the braid as it goes under my thumb, so that it won't show on top. And I'm holding the braid and the hair at the same time. And don't confuse yourself. How you begin, from how you begin when you're starting doing your line is how you're supposed to finish with the same braiding pattern. And you'll find doing this type of Ghana line, it's very, very easy. It's not hard. Just keep on trying, don't get tired, and you'll be good to go. So for now, I do hope you're finding this video helpful. I've tried as much as I can to let you guys know what really happens when I do this type of hairstyle, and for now I'll just continue doing the same thing, and nothing will change. And for today hairstyle, all my lines are going to the middle, no hairstyle. So going forward, that's what we are going to achieve. Yeah, no hairstyle for today's content. And at the same time, I do hope you're going to try this. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share it. And at the same time, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment, let me know how you do this type of Ghana lines. And for now, I'll just have to continue doing with the same thing. I do hope now you get right what really happens, or what I normally do when I do this type of Ghana line. So I'm going to stop right by here. Thank you so much for taking your time and staying with me up to this particular time, so that you'll have to get right what normally happens when I do this type of hairstyle. So don't skip anything for you to get every step right. And towards the end of this video, I'll be styling. Yeah, I'll show you how to take care. The spray that you need to use to maintain the hair. So don't skip anything so that you won't miss out any part. And I'll have to stop right by here and let you guys continue watching this.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jar related. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar related. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them I throw the party. In a me place, them I throw the party.
Yeah, I'm still right by here, and thank you so much for taking your time and staying with me up to this point. We are almost done, and from what I was trying to let you guys know, you can see all my lines have enough space to meet at the center, and that's because when I do my parting going to the middle, I have to reduce the size so that all my lines will have enough space to meet perfectly at the center. And for now I'm going to do the same thing. Nothing has changed. I'm just going to do my parting, and I love using this type of comb. I don't know which one you love to use, but for me this does an amazing job, because the tail part is helping me to do my parting, and then the combing part, it's helping me to comb the hair, and it's getting all the hair from the hair roots. And for now I'm done, and I'm using this type of sheen spray. This is TCB, but you can use any to maintain the hairstyle. And for now I'll just go ahead. You can leave it in a ponytail like that, or it will depend with your client's request, but for her, she wanted me to put it in a bun, so there we go. I'm going to put it in a bun this way. It's very easy, it's not hard, and then I'll have to roll it over, so there we go. And then when I'm done, I'll have now to press it a little bit so that it will have a shape, and this is so beautiful. So I hope you're going to try this type of hairstyle. I don't know which hairstyle you're going to choose, and look at that. This is so neat, and you can see my parting very well. So that's how I came up with this type of hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and give me that big support, because it does keep me going, and at the same time it keeps me motivated. So this was all about today's content. Until next time, bye for now.